Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you thought the sedan was on its way out, you might want to think again. While SUVs and trucks have been dominating the headlines, automakers are gearing up for a serious sedan comeback in 2026. We read talking about a wave of sleek, tech-packed, and seriously powerful four doors that are ready to reignite our love for the classic car. So buckle up, because today we peeling back the curtain on the most anticipated new sedans set to hit US showrooms in 2026. This isn't just a refresh, it's a revolution. First up, let's talk about the big one, the next generation Toyota Camry. For decades, the Camry has been the undisputed king of reliability and practicality. But for 2026, Toyota is injecting a serious dose of excitement. Leaked designs and insider whispers point to a much more aggressive and athletic look, borrowing styling cues from their sportier models. Expect a wider stance and lower roofline and a front grille that means business. Under the hood, the big news is the expansion of hybrid technology. We're expecting the base models to feature an even more efficient hybrid powertrain, delivering impressive MPG without sacrificing performance. And for those who crave more punch, there's talk of a powerful new hybrid max setup, potentially pushing close to 350 horsepower. Inside, Toyota is planning a complete tech overhaul with a massive central touchscreen, a fully digital instrument cluster, and the latest generation of their safety sense suite. The 2026 Camry isn't just aiming to be your dependable daily driver. It's aiming to be the car you can't wait to drive. Next, let's shift gears to Honda. The rivalry between the Camry and the Accord is legendary, and Honda isn't about to let Toyota have all the fun. For 2026, the Honda Accord is rumored to be getting a significant mid-cycle refresh that focuses on refinement and technology. While the current generation is already a stunner, expect revised front and rear bumpers, new wheel designs, and updated LED lighting to give it an even more premium feel. The biggest updates, however, are expected inside the cabin. Sources suggest Honda is integrating a new infotainment system powered by Google, offering seamless integration of Google Maps, Assistant, and the Play Store. This would be a game changer for in-car connectivity. On the performance front, Honda will likely continue to perfect its excellent two-motor hybrid system, possibly tweaking it for even better fuel economy and smoother power delivery. The 2026 Accord is set to double down on its strengths: a fun-to-drive nature, a high-quality interior, and now class-leading tech. Now, let's head over to the luxury segment, where things are getting really interesting. Genesis has been on an absolute roll, and the 2026 G80 is poised to shake things up even more. The G80 is already a design masterpiece, but the 2026 model is expected to be a full redesign. Prepare for an evolution of their athletic elegance design language, likely featuring even more dramatic lines and a more commanding presence. The big story here is electrification. While the current electrified G80 is impressive, the 2026 model is expected to be built on Hyundai Motor Group's next-generation EV platform. This means a significant jump in range, potentially pushing past 350 miles, and even faster charging capabilities. Of course, gasoline-powered versions with refined turbocharged engines will still be available. Inside, expect an even more opulent cabin with sustainable materials, a next-gen panoramic curved display, and advanced driver assistance features that border on semi-autonomous driving. The 2026 Genesis G80 isn't just targeting its German rivals. It's aiming to lead the pack. Speaking of the Germans, you can't talk about sedans without mentioning the BMW 3 Series. For 2026, we're anticipating the arrival of the next-generation model, codenamed the G50. This is a huge deal for enthusiasts. While BMW's design language has been controversial lately, inside sources suggest the new 3 Series will return to a more classic, athletic, and universally appealing aesthetic. But the real revolution is happening underneath. The 2026 3 Series will be built on BMW Class or New Class platform. This is a dedicated EV-first architecture, but it's flexible enough to also accommodate plug-in hybrid and potentially even clean internal combustion engines. Expect the all-electric version, likely to be called the i3, to offer multiple power outputs and a range that rivals the best in the business. And for the purists, don't worry. BMW has sworn it will not abandon its ultimate driving machine ethos. The new platform is designed for a low center of gravity and perfect weight distribution. So expect the legendary 3 Series handling to be better than ever. And we can't forget about the American players. All eyes are on Cadillac and the future of the CT5 for 2026. The CT5 is scheduled for a major update, and it's going to be a big one. Cadillac is expected to infuse the CT5 with design elements from its stunning Celestiq flagship. This means a sharper, more futuristic look, with dramatic vertical lighting and a more aerodynamic profile. Inside, the big news will be the adoption of a pillar-to-pillar curved display, similar to what we've seen in the Lyriq EVE, creating a truly immersive and high-tech cockpit. On the powertrain front, expect refined versions of the current Turbo 4 and V6 engines. But the real excitement is the potential for an all-electric version. As Cadillac moves toward an all-electric future, a CT5 EVE seems inevitable. Imagine that sleek design combined with the instant torque and silent acceleration of an electric motor. It would be a true American luxury sport sedan for the modern age and a serious contender in the global market. So there you have it, a sneak peek into the sedan revolution of 2026. From the reinvented family favorites like the Camry and a court to the next generation luxury and performance icons from Genesis, BMW, and Cadillac. The sedan is coming back stronger, smarter, and more exciting than ever. It proves that there's still a huge appetite for a vehicle that combines style, performance, and efficiency in a sleek 4-door package. Which of these future sedans are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this look into the future of cars, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.